Installing some lights.
We're doing the motherfucking interior. Right now I got this laid out. I'm gonna do this door right here. Gonna do this little thing.
Here, right there. I'ma just say charm. Chrome pink. So sad. Y'all, I hope y'all can see me, but hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is gonna be different. I'm gonna get my spoiler painted and my rims painted and have the interior LED lights inside and also the lining strips. So that's what I'm gonna be getting done to my car. Nothing too shabby, nothing too, you know, because I mostly got everything done to the car. It's just the little things. So we are going to fix Dia up a little bit. I did give her a car wash today, and the interior is clean. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging everything that we are doing, so stay tuned. Man, y'all see this? Oh my god. I know this video is taking a lot longer, but I got sick. I didn't film this, but I did get pin strips on my car. New pin strips on my car. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a reddish, pinkish looking pin strip. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get to the shop today, because we're going to be installing some lights, some interior lights in my car. I'm gonna put my camera on this tripod and see like you know what happens, but I'm gonna film myself going to work, so y'all go see that. I hope this is a good view, y'all. You go, now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you were true. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Really having it, like it's on I'm gonna sit here and chill, and I'll see y'all when I get to the shop. All right, y'all, we about to put the lights in the cars. Yeah. Yeah.
You finna get that motherfucker right.
It's gonna be like right all around here. Gonna look good.
Alright, vlog, goddamn. I was in a bad mood at first, I ain't gonna lie. Krissy came around, she brightened my mood up, so like and subscribe to the fucking video. If you don't, your mom don't love you. Anyways, I'm doing the motherfucking interior. Right now I got this laid out. Gonna do this door right here, gonna do this little piece. We're gonna do the other side.
It's gonna look nice. It's gonna look good. I'm gonna need more light. I love my stars, but I need more light in here.
This is how we got it going right here. Got this shit, feel me? My bad, took out the right there. We got a little outline going on, feel me? Gonna stop right there. We already got that on, finna do the other door. So we're gonna have some extra shit left over, so we're gonna see where else we can put some shit at. Real. Nigga, I stay.
That's what we got done.
Yes, indeed.
I love it.
HCX Customs. Yep. Yes, indeed.
You right, man.
HCX Custom. Rap, lab, and performance. Yes, indeed.
Y'all see that? Oh my god.
Sell your dick. Nigga, we could sell your dick. I'll give you benefits.
Benefits.
Yep.
Really?
I'll give you benefits.
What's the benefit?
A condom and a bag of chips. You want benefits?
Huh?
You want benefits?
Do I want benefits?
Yep.
I don't think I need benefits.
You gonna be my hoe? I'll give you benefits. I'll give you a couple condoms and a bag of chips every month.
Pay off my loans and we'll talk about it.
I don't know about that one. some goddamn, what's this? Honey packs. I'm gonna give you guys some honey packs.
Honey pack.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some honey packs.
Whoa.
Cause you probably ain't gonna last more than 10. So I'm gonna give you guys some honey packs so you can last long. Yeah. Get you some sugar mamas too on the way.
Y'all, so my camera is about to die, but look at this. Oh my god, it goes right here, right there. Oh, I love it. It got the stars. Yeah, I'm getting some more stuff done to it, so yeah, I'm about to go in the house and everything. Unplug this so it won't run my battery, and I need to turn off my stars. I'll turn off my stars through the app. Yeah, I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy. Now let me put y'all up. I'm gonna vlog some more tomorrow because there's a birthday party going on tomorrow. I might vlog it, I don't know. I might, but yeah, I will see y'all in the next clip. So there's a few things that I got from Amazon today. I finally got me some new what are these called? I'ma just say charms. Got more charms because the one in the front had faded out, so I might as well just change it. And then I finally got me a camera car tripod. So let me test this out, y'all. I'm about to test it out. If it's bad, then I won't be ordering from Amazon anymore, because I got some things to tell y'all about Amazon. Okay, y'all, I got it on. I really hope that this thing don't fucking slide off. It's tight on there, but still, I just hope it don't fall off. Last thing I also got was this this fan. I've been wanting one for probably a while now. It has a flashlight on it, and you just open it up. I've been seeing it a lot. You open it up, and it's a nice fan. Great for the summertime. So I'm about to go install the charm and just get rid of the old one. So let me do that. Let me get y'all off here. So I got this one on. It's pretty. I'm also thinking if I should keep this one, because the only difference is it has the horns, the devil horns, but these don't. So I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Thinking about just putting both of them up. No, that's just too much. I'm just gonna keep the extra one just in case. Just in case. Okay, I'm back in the house, but look at the old one. Look at the old one. It's all, like, you see that blue side? It's all chipped. This was chrome pink. Now it's chrome gray. Y'all, I'm really bad at picking up the camera and just filming stuff. Like, I really wanted to just plan a video out and just do it, because it's supposed to be like car content, but we're gonna see what we gonna get ourselves into today. My boyfriend went to a family function, and it's kind of far, I don't know, but I didn't want to drive my car, and he wants to get on the bike, so I don't want to get on the bike. And plus I woke up late. That was my fault. But yeah, I'm trying to find my keys. Let me find my keys so I can lock the door. Oopsie. It's hot as fuck out here. Alright. So we are going to go to a car wash today, because I might go to a car meet. Let's go to a car wash. Alright, so y'all, I'm at the car wash. I'm just gonna give my car a quick rinse. I'm not gonna put like no soap on there or anything. It's just gonna be like a quick rinse, because it's just dusty, honestly. So I'm gonna just wash it right quick and then come back. Alright y'all, so I made it to a meet finally. Well, by myself. And I got on contacts, if y'all notice. How do they look? It's my first time wearing contacts, so yeah. It was a bitch to get on, to put on my eyes. I don't know, it just feels weird. It feels weird. I never really had anything on my eyes. I made it to Houston Whips. I got here pretty early. I'm an early bird, so I'm trying to make sure I get like some parking and stuff. But they're gonna be coming in any minute. Already a Mustang over there chilling like I am. So yeah, no action. Boring. One time people want me to come out, they don't come out. Okay, y'all, I am at McDonald's now because I am hungry as hell. My boyfriend better not get mad because I got McDonald's, because he went and got some crawfish, but I don't want crawfish because I'm about to go home, take a shower. I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here because it's nothing much to do to my car anyways. But yeah, I wish I can install more parts on my car. I mean, I really do want a new spoiler, but I just don't have the time and money for that. So we will see. And I do need to get a thumbnail. I forgot about the thumbnail. I need a thumbnail for this video. Oh, I need to get my rims painted. That's what I was forgetting, because I have the paint. It's just I never had the time to just do it, and when I do have the time to do it, I don't do it.
For the 3-piece Chrissy strips?
Yes.
Total is 10. Some people would get into a line like this, but if you're at the back of this line, you see how slow it's moving?
Yeah.
Like, I just sincerely wonder, is it that worth it?
Thank you. Very professional. I like that. I like that about McDonald's. We need more people like that, you know, very exciting, and just, I be like that for work. I'm ready to go. Fuck them kids. I'm playing, but I need my food. I look cute. Stop playing with me. I did get a car wash today, but I forgot to wipe down my mirrors. So sad. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Y'all, I got a lip. I'm trying to be more careful. Scraping the fuck out of this thing. I'm gonna end this video right here. If y'all like these videos, give these videos a like and subscribe. Comment down below what type of videos y'all want me to do, and I'll do them. So, bye guys!